walking through the night alone, shadows calling on my phone. Every step feels cold and slow, but I keep moving, I don't know. I was fading in the dark, broken pieces, fragile heart. Then I saw a spark inside, telling me I'm still alive. I'm lost in the light, but I'm finding my way through the echoes of words I never could say. Even if I fall, I will rise and fight. I'm lost in the light, lost in the memories like burning flame, calling out my hidden name. I was scared to feel the pain, but fear won't keep me in these chains. Every tear became my strength, every showed me my faith. From the ashes I ignite, turning wrong into my right. I'm lost in the light, but I'm finding my way through the echoes of words I never could say. Even if I shining bright, lost in the light. I'm shining bright. If you want a sad Alan Walker vibe,